Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
This is Fire Escape Engineers. This is the inspector summary video. This is the second fire escape. This is pre-existing non-conforming. Need an EPA renovator's license on this because it looks prior to 1978 when it was painted. No welding is permitted. This structure must be structurally sound and painted. This is a pass-fail video, and this is a pre-load test evaluation. Alright, we're here, as I said, the second fire escape, and we're ready to get going. We got same configuration on the cage. You got an 1.5 inch by 2.5 inches for the angle that forms the cage. That's all the way around. And then you have some problems. This appears to be pulling away a little bit, and I don't know if the brackets are undersized because you got this entire ladder on it, or the other problem could be that the brick is starting to fail. A lot of this brick needs repointing, and it could be that the bracket is pulling away from the wall. So that would be engineer oversight, and this is only a pass-fail video. Okay, we're gonna come down and around. First, let me just point out here, you got a big hole there. That's got to be repaired where the railing goes into the brick. And then we got 1.5 by 1.5 top rail, 3/4 balustrade, and it's 1.5 by 2.5 inch that connects into the bottom platform. There does appear to be some shifting on this. This is not a square corner, and I don't think it's workmanship. You can see this line here slants a little bit. So I think we do have some movement in this structure. It has to be further investigated. We got the hook here for the staircase, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4 slats for the tread, and they're 1 inch each by 1/4 inch. Riveted to a clip and then bolted to the stringer. The stringer is 6 inches flat, 3/8 inch. Okay, so we're gonna come down, and this is all typical, but you can see, like right here, you got all this is lifting up. That's a trip hazard that it needs to be bolted. We do have some welding on this, and it should all be bolted, particularly in the counterweights. There's a lot of welding on that part of the structure. This has been better maintained than the other fire escape, but there is some work to be done. You can see for here, for instance, some of the rust has been painted over, and that particular one would have to come out. New hardware, scraped, primed, painted, and sealed. So there's some work to be done on this. It definitely needs paint, but it's not in as bad a condition as the other one. So I'm coming down. And the conditions are the same on all the staircase. So And we got the same type of formation. We got like a rivet here, but that should all be bolted. And you've had some repairs here. You can see here, this actually should be bolted. In addition to the bolts, if you pull these out, you're going to have to put new hardware in. So, alright, I'm going to continue down. And a lot of this just repeats itself. It's all the same type of stairs. And then you come down again. Actually, there has been one tread replaced here. So and this platform is also slanting down. You can tell that it's pulling away a little from the building. You see that gap there. And then you also have, like, just want to get the understructure here. You can see that. And you can see that the masonry definitely is somewhat desirable. That's got to be further investigated. Okay. Back down. And then we come to our next set of stairs. You got, on the steps itself, you've got the same type of railing, 3/4 inch solid, posts are 3/4 inch, and the intermediate is 3/4 inch. And again, this whole thing, if you look at it from this angle, it may not be evident in the video, but it is slanting. It seems like it's overburdened a little bit. Okay, and then we come into our platform here. And then you go down a step, and then the rest of it becomes the cantilever. So we're going to turn around and come down. The cantilever steps are the same. The cantilever flows pretty smoothly, and some work's been done on this. You can see that there's newer work on that. Somebody has worked on the cantilever section. You got this intermediary brace which takes some of the weight off of it, but it is welded and it should be bolted together. And then I think it's called casteeling. They probably cut some of these holes in to lighten up the weight, and this way you need less of a counterweight in the stringer itself. This is just on the cantilever they did that. Probably a weight issue. Okay, this is Fire Escape Engineers. This concludes the inspector's summary video for Fire Escape number 2.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report forbidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.